This is Jack McCagg with Liberty Aid, and I just wanted to talk for a minute about the fact that all debt by every bank, every lender, is collected illegally. It's a scam, okay? And we have the system to get it off your credit report to get out of the debt legally. Um, None of these, sovereignty nonsense or anything like that. See, the issue is there are a lot of issues, right, with them collecting the debt. But if you look into the elements of a contract, look at this: a meeting of the minds. Number one, it's going to be number one on every list you look up in, the elements of a contract. There has to be a contract for someone to collect debt on you. For a business to collect debt, you had to sign with them, make a contract. But here's the thing: they never sign a contract at the bank or a lender. They make you sign. So that's a unilateral agreement. You can decide to carry on with it or not. It's up to you. Because they didn't sign anything, there's no contract. No contract, no debt. Okay, so get a hold of the debt savior system and end your debt worries.